this recipe, I want all of us to try this together. Okay, I was thinking of making baked egg roll. Yes, so here I have a pinch of egg yellow. I have my flour, 120 grams of flour. I have just about 1/8 teaspoon of mixed spice. I have my 10 grams of margarine. I have my yeast. I have just 1/8 teaspoon of yeast. I have my sugar, 15 grams of sugar. I have my salt, 2 grams of salt. I have my baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, so I'm going to combine all these things together. Guys, this is my first time trying this anyway. I don't know how it's going to come out. That's why I said I want to do it together with all of you, so you see it with your own eyes. You understand? So yeah, this is my tepid water. I'm going to be adding. There's a video I made about how to make tepid water and how to make warm water. They are not the same, okay? So you can watch that video to know the difference between warm water and tepid water. So this is my tepid water. I'm going to this one here. I memeasured about 50 grams. So I'll be adding it gradually. If it's not enough, I'll still add a little more. So I'll add it gradually because I don't want to run this. This is my experiment. So if it's not enough, I'll add a little more until I get exactly what I am looking for or what I want. So I use 50 plus 14 grams, making it 64 grams of water. I don't know, but I just pray this works out fine. So I'm just going to add some flour to my wet surface. So now you can see how it is. So I'm measuring this 100 grams. So this 100 grams, I'm going to just touch my hand with flour. I just hope this works. There's only one egg I want to use, but I don't know, maybe the egg, if I can divide it into 2 parts. So this is the egg I want to use. Okay, make sure that your egg, you dust it with flour. So this egg now, I don't know if I should use it half for the boat or I should use it just one. Okay, let me just use it one. And then just the normal way we make it out, I'll just bring it together. So it's covered. So I'll just transfer. This is the baking tray I just used last night to bake meat pie. So I'm going to cover this. I'm going to cover it for some time before baking it. Maybe for like 30 minutes or 1 hour. So after 30 minutes, I just say let me leave it for 30 minutes. I don't know because I don't know if I should leave it for up to 1 hour. Or okay, let me leave for extra 30 minutes to complete 1 hour. I think it's I don't know. Let me just leave for extra 30 minutes to complete 1 hour. So it's 1 hour now. Let's say we are making baked egg roll and buns. So it's 1 hour now. You can see. So if you have egg, you can do egg washing. You can egg wash it. But I don't have egg to waste at this moment. But maybe if it doesn't turn out so good now, in the next one, when I'm making it in a bigger way or making it in a larger quantity, or my goodness. So I'm going to egg wash. But for now, I'll bake it. All right, we are done baking. We are done baking, guys. Yeah, we have. This is the buns. I just brush it with some margarine. You can use butter as well. This is the buns. And this is the egg roll. Yeah, definitely it's going to flatten below because of this thing. So it's still hot. You can see. Ooh, the buns is still hot. Oh my goodness, gorgeous. See how it is. Oh goodness. Let me test it. It just go. Yeah. And the egg roll. I want to use this knife. It still helps. You can see. You can see. So here you have it, our baked, fluffy, sweet egg rolls. Yeah. And this is the buns.